Hey folks, welcome back. It's Labor Day weekend here in the United States. I got a little behind in my videos for this weekend, so I don't really have one. So what I'm going to do is I took a little walk around the local botanical garden and captured some lovely photos of some flowers that are still in bloom here late in summer in the Pacific Northwest. I'm going to show you those now. I'm going to post them to a link below so you can download the digital negatives that are covered under Creative Commons license. So thanks for bearing with me this week, and I'll see you next week with a new tutorial. Bye for now.